Welcome to Wateringbury. Very glamorous station this is. I do like the Medway Valley. It is a beautiful line. It's just a shame about the people who use it. But yeah, Wateringbury is a very amazing station. And you may know my YouTube channel to be called Kent Trains, Buses and More. And perfectly fitting to that name is the buses part. Very nice to see. There's also a couple of other buses in there. Often see auto car vehicles in there, but not today, clearly. You know, you'll find a view. We're staying for the footbridge. What a lovely view it is indeed. 2 Leyland Titans there, I believe. Plenty to do, plenty to see here at this station, including the lovely view of the River Medway, which can be seen here on the footbridge. And beautiful view it is indeed. Lovely to see stations like this, especially on such a rough line, really. Kind of just relaxes you from the stresses of people. I'll see you at the level crossing and signal box. Thanks for watching. There is the signal box at Wateringbury Station. Very historical sign. Historical signal box too, I'd imagine. And the level crossing. It used to have a swing gate on it, but no more. I also imagine this building was something to do with the railway at some moment in time too. Perhaps a goods shed. Yeah, I'll see you probably at the River Medway when I take a little bit of a relax. Forgot to mention this lovely view from the bottom of the footbridge. Wow. That is an astonishing view. Lovely birds singing as well. Here's another lovely view of a level crossing and signal box here at Wateringbury. And a lovely view it is indeed. Don't want to get stuck over it, there's no footbridge, but what a lovely view. Well, this is pretty much it for Wateringbury today. Thought I'd just finish the video off with this nice view of the River Medway and a duck. There's just one over there. Oh, very pretty place this is. I mean, people say England is bad. They've obviously never been to places like this. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you when the train comes in. Goodbye. With the clear green signal at Wateringbury, and the train slowly arriving into the station. I'd like to thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these videos to come out in the future. It really does help with the motivation of creating the videos. Here comes the train from 375302. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.